Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change a ringtone or set up a custom ringtone in Galaxy A15 5G. So for setting up the custom ringtone, guys, we are using a third-party application. So just go to Play Store and here search for a Z. So this one is the application, by the way. So install this application. Okay, now after installing, just click to open here, accept and continue. Allow the notifications first. Just tap on a ringtone and select any ringtone which you like the most. Okay, so this one is a Christmas tone, by the way. So I am selecting this one. Tap on a download option and click to set ringtone. But firstly, we have to allow the permission. So this one is ringtone. Click and download, set ringtone. And as you see, standard ringtone updated. Now go back to the settings here and let's see on the sounds and vibration. So as you guys see, Jingle Bell Rock is now updated. So that's how guys we can set up the custom ringtone in Galaxy A15 5G. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.